Want longer or fuller hair without blending your natural hairline in part? The U-shaped wig offers the most natural transition where the wig is virtually undetectable. The tools today will be a regular brush, a hairline brush, a teasing comb, an elastic rubber band, and a clip. I'll first start off by using the teasing comb to make a small U-shape on the crown of my head. I'll then clip the hair and save it for the end. Next, I'll use my elastic band to pull back the rest of my hair. You can always leave a little bit of front hair if desired. I'll then unclip all the combs. There's also an elastic halo on the top of the U-shaped wig, which can be removed. It's really just your personal preference. I'll then start by clipping from the back of the crown and also clipping the sides by my temples. Once everything's in position, I'll go ahead and take my ponytail and pull it through the pocket in the back. Next, I'll release the top hair of my crown and use the brush to tease and style as desired. And there you go, instant length and volume with the U-shaped wig.